Hello and welcome to Invest to the Moon. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most successful and influential hedge fund managers of all time, Paul Tudor Jones. Paul Tudor Jones is the founder and chief investment officer of Tudor Investment Corporation, an asset management firm that manages $13 billion as of 2022. He is also a philanthropist who co-founded the Robin Hood Foundation, which focuses on poverty reduction in New York City. But how did he become so wealthy and influential? What are his investment strategies and principles? And what can we learn from his career and achievements? In this video, I will answer these questions and more, based on the information I gathered from reliable sources. Paul Tudor Jones was born in Memphis, Tennessee in 1954. He graduated from the University of Virginia in 1976 with a degree in economics. He started his career as a commodities broker for E.F. Hutton & Company, where he met and befriended Glenn Dubin, another future hedge fund manager. In 1976, he also got an introduction to trading cotton futures at the New York Cotton Exchange, under the mentorship of Eli Tullis, one of the largest cotton traders in the world. Tullis taught him the basics of technical analysis and risk management, which would later become essential skills for his trading style. However, Tullis fired Jones when he fell asleep at his desk after a night of partying in New Orleans. Jones learned a valuable lesson from this experience. Discipline and focus are crucial for success in trading. In 1980, at the age of 26, Jones founded his own hedge fund, Tudor Investment Corporation, with $300,000 borrowed from his family and friends. He used his own money as seed capital and charged a 20% performance fee on profits above a certain threshold. His hedge fund was based on a global macro strategy, which means he traded various asset classes such as currencies, commodities, stocks, bonds, and derivatives across different markets and regions, based on his analysis of macroeconomic trends and events. He also used leverage, short selling, arbitrage, and other sophisticated techniques to amplify his returns and hedge his risks. He was not afraid to take big bets when he had high conviction in his views. One of his most famous trades was predicting the Black Monday crash of 1987. He noticed that the stock market was overvalued and vulnerable to correction. He also saw similarities between the market patterns of 1987 and 1929, which preceded the Great Depression. He decided to short sell the stock market using futures contracts and options. He also bought put options on Japanese stocks, which were correlated with the U.S. market. When the crash happened on October 19, 1987, he made a fortune by closing his positions at a huge profit. He reportedly earned $100 million in one day and increased his fund's return by 200% for that year. His performance attracted more investors and media attention. He became known as one of the best traders in history. Over the years, Jones has continued to make successful trades based on his macro insights and technical skills. He has also diversified his portfolio by investing in other asset classes such as emerging markets, venture capital, commodities, event-driven strategies, and technical trading systems. Some of his notable investments in these areas include: 1. Backing Tiger Global Management, one of the largest and most successful hedge funds focused on technology and emerging markets. 2. Investing in SpaceX, the private aerospace company founded by Elon Musk that aims to revolutionize space exploration and colonization. 3. Supporting Just Capital, a nonprofit organization that ranks companies based on their social and environmental impact. 4. Participating in the One Planet Summit, a global initiative to fight climate change and promote green finance. Jones has also been vocal about his views on various economic and social issues, such as: 1. Warning about the dangers of inflation and excessive debt in the U.S. economy. 1. Advocating for higher taxes on the wealthy and more fiscal stimulus for the poor. 1. Supporting Bitcoin as a hedge against currency debasement and a store of value. 1. Promoting diversity and inclusion in the financial industry and his own firm. As you can see, Paul Tudor Jones is not only a brilliant investor but also a visionary leader and a compassionate human being. He has achieved remarkable success in his career and made a positive difference in the world. So, what can we learn from him? 1. Be flexible and adaptable. Jones has shown that he can trade any asset class, any market, any time frame, and any direction. He is always willing to change his mind and adjust his strategy based on new information and opportunities. 2. Be disciplined and focused. Jones has learned from his mistakes and developed a strong work ethic and a rigorous risk management system. He is always prepared for any scenario and never lets his emotions interfere with his decisions. 3. Be curious and creative. Jones has always been interested in learning new things and exploring new ideas. He is not afraid to challenge conventional wisdom and try new approaches. He is constantly looking for an edge and an innovation. 4. Be generous and responsible. Jones has shared his wealth and wisdom with others. He has supported many worthy causes and organizations that align with his values and vision. He has used his influence and platform to raise awareness and advocate for change. These are some of the lessons that I have learned from studying Paul Tudor Jones. I hope you found them useful and inspiring. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy investing.